Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm out here in the Chippewa National Forest doing a little bit of wild camping. I just got a fire started with some softwood, so I still need to find some hardwood, dead standing firewood, and also I need to get a shelter built and cook some food. I brought some lamb leg steaks today, so I'll be trying those out. I've never had them before. I have no idea what they're going to taste like, so I'll let you guys know. And yeah, let's get right into it. Firewood cutting, especially that hardwood, that can get tiring. Might have to get a little bit more firewood yet, but I think I got a pretty good start on it. I think now I'll get a ridge line up and hang my tarp. The wind is still kind of swirling around a little bit, so not sure exactly what direction it's going to end up, but I think if I set it up along this way, I'll be pretty good for the night. It's going to start snowing after a while here, so I'll definitely want to have that tarp up. Yeah, I think this will work pretty good. There's a little outer room on that side because of a tree, but I think it'll do. Alright, got some lamb leg steak and some quinoa and brown rice. And green pepper and some olive oil. That looks like about it. Took a little longer than I thought. They're pretty thick, so I think we're good now. Let's give these a shot. See what they're all about. Really good, actually. Huh. Wow. That's good. They were already kind of pre-seasoned with some, look like rosemary and stuff on there. I'm not sure exactly what was on it, but that's good. Today's kind of been one of those days where like everything's gone wrong, so I honestly have no idea how this video is going to turn out. I like broke my leg off on my camera tripod. Oh, there's a bunch of stupid stuff. I was about ready to just go back home. So we'll see if I make it through the night. I'll try the instant rice. and quinoa. I don't know, not bad. I think anything tastes better out in the bush anyway. I got all the dishes done, cleaned up, and I'm full, so that's good. One thing I need to do is pull back my shelter a little bit so I have a little more room. It just started snowing and it's coming in here a little bit, so if I just go on the back side with some paracord, I can tie this back a little farther, and I think that'll be pretty good. I maybe went a little too high this time with the ridge line, but that's okay. I kind of like a little more headroom when I'm hanging out. So anyway, go around back, pin this up, and relax by the fire for a while. And it's probably going to be a night. I guess Mother Nature decided to rain instead of snow tonight, so I'm just gonna be getting ready for bed here and call it a night. So see you guys tomorrow. Oh, almost fell over. Well, looks like that rain finally turned to snow. Wow. It's pretty wet and heavy. Had a little struggle getting the fire going this morning. Everything was pretty wet. I should have probably set some material aside, but I eventually got it going, so. Probably got 3 or 4 inches so far. That hits the spot. I'm gonna finish eating and start packing up and get out of the woods and hopefully make it home. I'm sure the roads are pretty bad. It's definitely winter wonderland out here. A lot of snow on the branches. Looks pretty awesome. Made it back to the car. Hopefully I can get out of here. Quite a bit of snow here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.